So our research was looking at the association between the use of sunbeds and your risk of melanoma. And it was the first Australian data to be published on the association, and specifically it was looking at people who developed melanoma under the age of 40. And we found a strong association between the use of sunbeds and risk of melanoma, and the association was stronger if you'd used sunbeds at an earlier age, and it was also stronger if you developed melanoma under the age of 30. And the more times you used a sunbed, the higher your risk of melanoma. The impact that this research had was that it was pivotal to the New South Wales government implementing a policy change in which commercial solaria were banned, and this had a flow on to other states in Australia, and so now all states in Australia have banned the use of commercial sunbeds. Initially it was a Labor state government, and they'd sort of done some work around developing new policy for regulating the commercial solaria, and then it looked like something was going to happen, and then there was an election and the government changed, so it was sort of starting from scratch, but actually they were very receptive to changing the policy. So that was one thing that happened, and then there was a lot of work in putting forward the estimates of, if we make this policy change, what will be the impact, and so I was involved in putting that data together. But it was I think having patient advocates was really good, and there was a strong community attitudes were really behind the policy, and so I think that really helped move things along. And so in the end, I think it took not even a couple of years until the policy was announced. Well, I just think it's fantastic recognition for the research team, because obviously I didn't do this by myself. It never would have happened if it was just me. There's lots of names on the research paper, so it was a big team effort getting that done. So I just think it's nice recognition for the people working, in this area, that it's recognised as being important and has made an impact.